So very good morning to all of you. It's around 15 days after we are again meeting on online platform. Thank you for your joining. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor Mohit Akhtar Mirza from Maulana Akhtar and Technical Campus, Mansoura Malegaon. Now, many new students will also join with you. We will complete the syllabus, and if there is a requirement for the student they already came from the diploma. Maybe they have learned the hydraulics, all these things, but diploma there is little bit different with the degree. Okay, all the students we request that they should write down their uh, proper name so that it is easy to identify. Okay, and to get your roll number, so write down your roll number before your name, then that is okay. During lecture hours, you can listen carefully and write down whatever necessary steps you want to uh, note down. So in previous lecture, we have seen the Prandtl's mixing ring theory for the turbulent flow. So go through the pipe and we are studying the turbulent flow. So we know the in pipe flow problem, the shear stress is maximum at the wall of the pipe. Shear stress पाइप के वॉल पे मैक्सिमम होता है, ये हमने पहले भी देखा है ना। शेयर स्ट्रेस मैक्सिमम है और वेलोसिटी जीरो है, और हम लोग ने उसका एक फ्लो थ्रू द पाइप, लैमिनार फ्लो थ्रू द पाइप, उसका एक्सपेरिमेंटल वीडियो भी देखा था कि आप देखते हैं कि मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी हमारी सेंटर पे होती है जहाँ पर शेयर स्ट्रेस तकरीबन हम कंसीडर करते हैं कि वहाँ पर जीरो, वहाँ पर जीरो। तो ये लास्ट जो लेक्चर हमारा 36 नंबर का लेक्चर हमारा हुआ है, उसमें हम लोग ने प्रैंडल्स मिक्सिंग थ्योरी का जो डेरिवेशन है वो हम लोग ने, है ना। तो इसमें द वेलोसिटी इन x direction and y direction we are consider, z direction is the there is two-dimensional flow we are considering. So U dash is L du by dy, that is L is the mixing length and du by dy is the change in velocity in the x direction, and V dash is L du by dy, that is change in velocity in the y direction. Okay, whatever you may say, and that you know, and then that value we will put in the substituted in the Reynolds shear stress equation, that is tau for the turbulent flow. You should remember this is for the turbulent flow, for the turbulent flow. This already covered, that's why I'm going fast. Okay, so we'll consider that. So it is nothing but rho u dash v dash, and you know the rho dash and v dash to put all this value, that is rho L square rho u by rho y square. Okay, this is the tau turbulence. This is the tau turbulence for the in case of turbulent flow. Okay, tau turbulence, tau is nothing but it is nothing but shear stress. Then the total shear stress will then be sum of the shear stress due to the viscous condition, viscosity of the fluid, and the turbulent condition both. तो टोटल टाउ यानी टोटल shear stress जो पाइप फ्लो प्रॉब्लम में वो क्या रहेगा, इट इज टाउ विस्कस, है ना। टाउ विस्कस we get from the dynamic viscosity of your fluid, that is mu. Mu is nothing but tau upon dou u by dou y. So in terms of tau, if you write down, tau viscous will be from the Newton law of viscosity, it is mu in times dou u by dou y. Okay, so you can write down this tau viscous here. Mu times dou u by dou y is tau viscous. That is total tau is equal to tau viscous plus tau turbulent, and tau turbulent from the this shear stress equation for Reynolds shear stress equation we get, and that is rho. Rho is the density of that fluid, and L square dou u by dou y square. Okay. Now above equation can also be written in the form of this tau total is equal to mu dou u by dou y, mu dou u by dou y. All the students I will request that they should join before or on time. So eta into dou u by dou y, eta is nothing but the ED viscosity due to the turbulent flow as Gauss-Elix model of the turbulence, and it is given by eta is equal to rho L dou u by dou y. Okay, so if you write on the eta here, then the tau total is equal to tau viscosity into tau turbulence. Okay. Now, but for fully developed turbulent flow, if the turbulent flow is there, fully developed turbulent flow is there, in the pipe, the viscous shear stress near a boundary will be negligible. At the boundary, the viscosity of the fluid is negligible, and that can be not considered in case of turbulent shear stress. So tau total you can write down. Now tau is equal to rho L square by dou u by dou y square, or tau is equal to neta into dou u by dou y. So any of this term you can write down. Then Prandtl assumed that the mixing length varies linearly as the normal distance y from the pipe wall, and so that's that this is our pipe in the pipe flow problem. So this is your pipe. So Prandtl uh, assumed that the mixing length varies linearly from a normal distance y from the pipe wall. So distance y from the pipe walls toward the center. So this distance, if this distance up to the center, then that is y is equal to r. Okay. So this is the pipe wall boundary. This is the pipe wall boundary. What it assumed that the mixing length varies linearly as the normal distance y from the pipe wall, and it is written as L is equal to K into y. L is equal to K into y, and K is the Karman's universal constant. K is the Karman's universal constant, and Karman suggested that for the pipe flow problem, the value of K is 0.4. The value of K is 0.4, and then we can write down tau is equal to rho K square. L square की जगह हम यहाँ पर क्या लिख दे रहे हैं? This is nothing but L square. L square is equal to ky. So L square is equal to K square y square. K square y square. Just putting the value. Okay. Now further, we will take this in terms of change in velocity. So in terms of change in velocity, this is the term. Okay. This is term, and this term is square. So this term dou u by dou y is equal to this. All the value will come here. Okay. So one of this is square. So 1 upon ky under root of this tau is not in terms of square. So under root of tau upon rho. Okay. So for a small value of y, for a small value, very small value of y, Prandtl assumed that very small value of y, Prandtl assumed that this tau is equal to tau 0, and the tau 0 is the shear stress at the boundary. This is the boundary. So shear stress at the boundary is tau 0. Okay, and it is, and here there the shear stress at the boundary is maximum. So in terms of dou u upon dou y is equal to 1 upon ky under root of tau 0 upon rho. Okay, and this is nothing but your u star, that is shear velocity. As u star is nothing but shear velocity, and it is nothing but under root of tau 0 upon rho. Okay, so I will go this equation number 1. Okay, Now, in terms of u, if you read the equation, so you have to integrate this equation. This equation, if you want to write down in terms of u, the equation 1, you have to integrate the equation number 1. We will get u upon this tau 0 is the u star. No, this term is the u star, under root of tau 0 upon rho. So that's u into u star by k. This is constant. Ln log of natural. Ln is for the natural log. So log of y, because the shear stress changing from the pipe boundary to toward the center, है ना? पाइप बाउंड्री पे शेयर स्ट्रेस ज्यादा है, जैसे सेंटर की तरफ आप बढ़ेंगे शेयर स्ट्रेस आपका कम होगा, इसलिए वेलोसिटी आपका सेंटर में मैक्सिमम होता है ना? क्योंकि शेयर स्ट्रेस वहां पर कम होता है. तो u इज इक्वल टू u star upon k ln y plus c. C is nothing but integration constant. So this equation is very important in terms of when you are going to plot a velocity distribution. So this equation u is equal to u star k. Ln is for natural log with respect to y plus c. C is the integration constant. Then now we have to find out the integration constant. How we can find out the integration constant? आप मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ते हैं रेगुलरली. इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट मालूम करने के लिए हम बाउंड्री कंडीशन पुट करते हैं, है ना? तो यहाँ पर हम वापस से बाउंड्री कंडीशन पुट करेंगे. u इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी मेजर्ड एट डिस्टेंस ऑफ y फ्रॉम द वॉल, है ना? कोई भी वेलोसिटी आप कोई भी डिस्टेंस पे y पे अगर किसी भी डिस्टेंस पे हम देंगे तो दैट वेलोसिटी इज y. अगर y1 पे लिए तो वेलोसिटी इज u1. y2 पर लिए तो वेलोसिटी इज u2. इसी तरह y3 पर लिए तो वेलोसिटी इज u2. So that like that. And somewhere at the boundary condition we will reach, if y is equal to r, then velocity is maximum u. Okay. So like this we are putting the boundary condition. Likewise we are putting the boundary conditions. Okay. So just for your understanding and writing. Now, to find the value of c, we have boundary conditions that center line of pipe velocity is maximum. So at center line pipe means this is your pipe, this is your pipe, this is your pipe. Okay. So at center of the pipe means this is the diameter of pipe. Okay. This is the your radius of pipe r. So center here at y is equal to 0, to the y is equal to r. Y is equal to r. Your velocity is maximum. So velocity is nothing but maximum. So as u tends to radius, y tends to r, u tends to uf, है ना? ये इस तरह हम मैथ्स में बोलते हैं. हाँ. So what happened? So u will be um. So I will write down um is equal to u star by k ln of y की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? r. बाउंड्री कंडीशन में हमने पुट किया is equal to plus c. Now the value of c you can find out. So c is equal to um minus u star by k ln upon r. This I will write down the equation number 3. Putting this value of c in equation number 2, we will get u is equal to u dash k ln upon y plus um minus this value is nothing but the value of c. That integration constant we have find out. That is from equation number 3 we are putting here. Okay. So that is um into u star by k ln by r, not y. It is the value of c. That's integration constant. Now, if you know the integration of ln by y and minus ln by r. So if there is integration log of y minus log of r, it means that they will log of y upon r. है ना? ln is for natural log. No, ln is for natural log. ln is generally we can write like this, log of e. Okay, so u is equal to u star of k ln this term, you know, this term is common. Y star k is common. Here and here both are there. है ना. And un it doesn't contain any log term. So ln by y upon r u by k are taken constant plus un, है ना. प्लस un मैंने लास्ट में ले लिया. ln y minus ln r is equal to ln by yr. This is the property of log, है ना. Properties of log. This is the properties of log. Okay. In mathematics, you already studied that. Now we can say that this un I will take here. तो un इधर आ जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. तो it will be u minus un u star k ln upon y upon r. Then u also I will take here. All the velocity term I will take one side. So u minus un divided by u star is equal to 1 upon k ln by y upon r. And what Karman said that k is the Karman's constant. K is the Karman's constant. Okay. The value of k is a 0.4. है ना. And 1 upon 0.4 is nothing but 2.5. If you write down another term, u minus un is equal to 2.5 ln upon y upon r. So this equation number 4 is termed as universal velocity distribution equation for the turbulent flowing pipe, and replacing the natural log term to the logarithmic of 10, we will get. So if you do that, logarithm you can convert, or otherwise in your calculator natural log calculation is also there. It depends on you. So you can convert it. So it will be 5.75 log of 10 y upon r. And then you can change this to write down. So that's why here it will be r upon y. So I will, because velocity in terms is maximum, so we cannot minus. So um minus u, इस u minus um को हम लोग ने क्या चेंज कर दिया, um minus u. तो इधर क्या हो जाएगा, लॉग में r upon y है, y upon r का क्या हो जाएगा r upon y. तो पहले log of y upon r था, तो ये उधर हम लोग ने चेंज किया, तो इधर भी हमारा ये साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, है ना. साइन चेंज हो जाएगा तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये वैल्यूज उसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा. तो um minus u upon u star 5.75 log of 10 r upon y is nothing but equation number 6. Here u is the velocity measured at distance y from the pipe. कोई भी velocity y from the pipe, u1, u2, u3, and u is the maximum velocity at the center of pipe where the shear stress is 0, and velocity is maximum, that is y is equal to r, and r is equal to radius of your pipe. R is the radius of your pipe, diameter by 2, you know, and then shear velocity is equal to under root of tau 0 upon rho. So u dash is nothing but shear velocity, and that is nothing but under root of tau 0 upon rho. Tau 0 is the maximum shear stress at the wall, है ना. So at here you can say at the wall tau is equal to tau 0, okay, and um is the maximum velocity at the center. Okay, that's why this, and this is the velocity distribution, you can say, of your pipe network. Okay. In case of your pipe flow problem, so this is the Prandtl equation we have studied in previous lecture. Now today we will see above beyond that velocity distribution uh, due to the pipe flow problem. So what we have got this equation is, write down, u minus um upon u star is equal to 2.5 times of ln y upon r in case of natural log. In case of log log to the power of 10. If you write down in terms of that, so this equation of Prandtl is 5.75 log of 10 to the y upon r. और इसको अगर हम रिवर्स करके लिखें in terms of un, I will write down to maximum velocity first and the velocity divided by u dash. So what will be the sign will be changed here. So that 5.75. These all the mathematical properties you should know, derivative and integration. So it will be reverse of this r upon y. These are the velocity distribution equation in case of the Prandtl, where the terms you know, un is the maximum velocity at center, maximum velocity, center of the pipe flow at center, center of the pipe, and that is at y is equal to r, by putting the bottom, and u star is nothing but shear velocity. This is the shear velocity, and it is nothing but shear velocity is nothing but under root of under root of tau zero upon rho, tau zero upon. Okay, so I think so you are understanding all these things. Okay. So this is now we will go for our velocity distribution for smooth and rough pipe. Based on these Prandtl equations, so I will write down lecture number 37. Today is 22. So you can write out the velocity distribution, velocity distribution for smooth and rough pipe. Rough pipe for smooth and rough pipe. The equation two from Prandtl's mixing length theory, from Prandtl's mixing length theory, from the previous previous lecture where we started the equation number 2. We got this u is equal to u star k L y plus. Okay, so I will write down here this equation number 2. U is equal to the velocity at any point from the wall of your pipe, that is u. Now u star is the shear velocity, Lm is the natural log with respect to y. So as the velocity will change, this y distance change, that's why the velocity will change. At the wall it is considered to be 0, and c is the integration constant. This is the equation number 2 we have in the previous one. Okay, so write down, if a given boundary is studied, given boundary studied under a microscope, it will be, will be seen that it will be seen that it consists of sorry consists of consists of consists of uneven corrugation, uneven corrugation, corrugation, uneven corrugation as seen following, following figure. So you draw this figure, uneven corrugation. So if this is your boundary, write down this is the boundary. And the flow, turbulent flow, draw this pattern. So this corrugation will be seen in case of turbulent flow. So this flow pattern may be different, and draw as per your. So in case of turbulent flow, so seems to be average height of water. It's nothing but average height of roughness. Right? Roughness. In case of pipe flow problem, and is denoted by epsilon. Epsilon. Okay? And y is somewhere here. Y equal to y dash. Okay? So if I will write down, and therefore, and therefore, and therefore, point at which point at which velocity is zero, velocity is zero, velocity is zero, cannot be, cannot be, cannot be well defined, cannot be well defined, be well defined. It is therefore taken that it is therefore taken that taken that at y is equal to y dash u u may be u may be zero. So u may be zero means the velocity will be zero. So there, as per the as per as per Nicor's experiment, as per the experiment for smooth pipe, for smooth pipe, not for rough pipe, for smooth pipe, it is given by y dash is equal to delta dash upon 107, and delta dash is nothing but laminar laminar sublayer thickness, laminar sublayer thickness, laminar sublayer thickness, as we have seen. This already we have seen in the boundary layer theory. So this thickness, that laminar sublayer thickness, we have seen in boundary layer theory, in unit number 3. It is already covered. Okay. What is the laminar sublayer? And delta dash is equal to 11.6 mu upon u star. U star. So if you write down the y dash will be, I will put the value of delta dash, so it will be 11.6 mu upon 107 u star. U star is nothing but shear loss. For this is for, this value is for smooth pipe. This value is for smooth pipe. There is no roughness on it. Okay. Now, by integrating constant C of equation number 2, we are written equation number 2 earlier. I start can be determined. The integration constant C can be determined. By putting, कैसे मालूम करते हैं हम लोग? बाउंड्री कंडीशन पुट करने के बाद डिटरमाइन by putting the boundary conditions. By putting the boundary condition, boundary condition, and therefore you can write down the boundary condition is, put the verification, y is equal to y dash, u is equal to 0, which is consideration or consideration. So you put these boundary conditions in equation number 2 to find the integrating equation, integrating constant. So u will be 0. So 0 is equal to u star upon k. Okay. Natural log of y की वैल्यू क्या होगी, y dash and plus c. So what will be the value of c now? All the value will take here, so it will be minus u star upon k ln upon y dash. So this is the integrating constant c. Now put this value of c, put above value again in equation 2. So we will get the value u is equal to u star upon k ln of y plus c. So c is minus, is a minus u star upon k ln of y डैश। तो ये इक्वेशन बन जाएगी हमारा, है ना। And the k value is 0.4. The k value is 0. So this u is equal to u star, k will be the common. So ln of y minus ln of y dash. So again you will put the properties of integration. So you know that if this minus term is there, so ln of it will be y upon y dash. ऐसा हो जाएगा by product of integration. And you know that the Karman's cost, k is the Karman's constant, and k is equal to 0.4 for for pipe flow problem. For pipe flow problem. So if I write down k is equal to 0.4, तो 1 upon k क्या हो जाएगा? It's 2.5, है ना? Is 2.5. So if I write down in terms of velocity, I will take one side. So u upon u star. So it will come here is equal to 2.5 ln of y upon y dash. This is nothing but your equation. Okay. So write down this equation. If you convert it into the natural law, so it will be u upon u star. Sorry, u star u upon u star is equal to 2.5 log of 10 natural log की जगह. So it will be not 2.5, it will change. It will be 5.75. 5.75 log of 10 y upon. Okay? You can write on this. Okay? And for smooth pipe, for smooth pipe, the boundary of pipe is smooth. No, that's why smooth pipe. You know that y dash is equal to 11.6 mu upon 107 u star. Okay? So it will be written as u upon u star is equal to 5.75 log of log of log of log of 107 u star 11.6 mu. Okay? So this one is the equation number. Okay. Now if you write down this again, 5.7. Sir, please यार थोड़ा धीरे बात कीजिए, थोड़ा नीचे चल रहा है. 5.75 log of 2 star y upon mu and plus 5.5 because it is multiplication. So this will be equation number 7. This will be the equation number 7. So this for the smooth pipe, and this equation number 7 is for the equation number 7 for the smooth pipe velocity distribution equation. Velocity distribution equation. Okay. Velocity distribution generally, if you at the pipe wall, if I will take this is the pipe wall, the velocity we are generally we consider is zero, and at distance of r at center y is equal to r, it is maximum. So in a smooth pipe, generally you can see this smooth curve will be there. Smooth curve will be there, and this here u is equal to um. But in case of turbulent flow, this will not be happen, or for rough pipe, it will be not like this. So you can write on. Similarly, for rough pipe, similarly, these values are suggested by the scientists. It is not from my side. Some values you have to remember for your derivation. Similarly, for rough pipe, y dash is equal to epsilon upon 30. Epsilon upon 30. So u upon u star will be 5.75 log y dash की वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे हम. Y dash is epsilon upon 30. 30 will come up, so 30 upon epsilon it will be. It can be, it is multiplication. 30 is multiplication, is y upon epsilon, and 30 is multiplication. So it can be written as this equation for 5 u upon u star is equal to 5.75 log of y upon epsilon plus, if there is log multiplication, so we will break into the plus sign. So it will be log of 30 will be 8.5 plus 0.5, and this is equation number 8. This is equation number 8. Okay, so this is equation number 8. So if you write this in terms of average velocity, in terms of average velocity, average velocity, and average velocity is denoted by V0 or VO, whatever you can say. It is equal to Q upon A, discharge upon area, nothing but the velocity. Okay. So again, you can write down for a smooth pipe equation 7. For smooth pipe, in terms of average velocity, smooth pipe in terms of average velocity can be written as can be written as V0 upon U star is equal to 5.75 from the equation number 7, log of R U star upon small r plus 1.75 is equation number 9. If you write in terms of this, already we have seen this boundary layer theory in unit number 3. And for rough pipe, it can be written as, and for rough pipe, it can be written as, for rough pipe, V0 is the average velocity, V star is equal to 5.75. This is log of 10, log of 10 on R upon epsilon, because y dash is nothing but epsilon upon 30, and that is 4.75. This is equation number 10 for the rough pipe for the average velocity, that is Q upon A. Okay, if average velocity is there. Okay. Also difference of point velocity u and average velocity, that is v0. Average velocity, that is v0 for smooth and rough pipe. Smooth and rough pipe. Rough pipe. So this different equation for different conditions we are writing now. So if difference of velocity with respect to the average velocity, if you write down u minus u0 is equal to u star is equal to 5.75 log of y upon r is capital S, radius, plus 3.75 is equation number 11 for smooth pipe. है ना? And at center line you know y tends to r, y is equal to r, and you know that log of 1 is nothing but 0. Log of 1 is nothing but 0. These are properties of logarithm. So at center, the velocity u tends to um, maximum velocity. So you can write on um minus average velocity divided by, sorry, u star, that is shear velocity divided by shear velocity is equal to 3.75, because log of 1 is 0, so all this term will be 0. So this get equation number 2. Okay. So from this equation, from above equation 2, you can plot the velocity distribution. You can plot the velocity distribution. So from above equation, governing velocity distribution, governing velocity distribution in a pipeline, for turbulent flow, for turbulent flow, it will be in that velocity distribution, for 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 laminar flow, in pipeline, is a parabolic, और प्रैक्टिकली फ्लो में भी हम लोग ने देखा रेनॉल्ड्स एक्सपेरिमेंट में, हाँ, whereas for turbulent flow, in pipeline, this all we are discussing for the pipe flow problems, huh? For pipeline is logarithmic. हाँ, laminar flow में it is parabolic, but in case of turbulent flow it is logarithmic. तो अगर हम पाइप बनाते हैं और उसके अंदर अगर हम वेलोसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हम देखेंगे, पाइप फ्लो प्रॉब्लम है, पाइप पाइप पाइप, ओके, of the pipe. तो अगर मैं वेलोसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बनाऊं तो लैमिनार फ्लो है हमारा, तो वेलोसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन in terms of laminar flow at this section, so it will be, in case of laminar flow it will be parabolic. In case of laminar flow it will be parabolic. Okay? और यही अगर this is the velocity distribution for laminar flow. Parabolic for ये हमने रेनॉल्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट में देखा ना, ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में वीडियो मैंने दिखाया था आप लोगों को, देखिए इसको। In case of turbulent flow at the center, some straight portion is there. This red line is logarithmic logarithmic in case of which flow? In case of turbulent flow. So, so this is the velocity distribution in case of the laminar and turbulent flow using the Kendall's mixing length theory of turbulent flow. Okay, so this we can draw the velocity distribution curve using this, and a small portion is remained that we will cover in the future. So I will share you when your next lecture will be there, and also tomorrow is your practical, so we will start online practical also tomorrow, inshallah. So please attend all the lectures. Might be sometimes you are not understand this because you joined the college late or maybe the previous lectures are, but all the lectures till now I have uploaded on YouTube. So you have another class, so I will stop here. Thank you for okay, any question you will ask.